So hey guys, good morning. So just now I came back from tuition. So today I will not go to the college. So I decided first that I will go to the college, but there will not a lecture, but just practical. And today I want to complete my writing work because when I complete my writing work and assignment, then I can revise or I can learn. So that's why today I decide to some of the writing work I will complete and some learning work I will do. So okay, so now first of all I'm going to freshen up and after that I will go for the meal. So let's go because I want to take medicines and tablets. Just because I got allergy just because of that mosquitoes agarbatti, and I think yes that and after I got sneezing, and that sneezing converted into cold, and cold has converted into cough. So and that's all about I got a fever. So okay, so after having meal and then I will go for the medicine, and then I will go for bed. And after that when I complete my rest, and then I will go for the my studies. So okay, let's go. So guys, some time ago I had meal, and I just realized that I want to take medicines, but still I did not try it. So first of all I'm going to take, and some due to so much busy work, and due to my college work, and there were start a cap round. So that's why I was busy there. And okay, so first of all I'm going to take medicines, and then I will take a nap, and then I will continue my work or my writing or whatever it is. So let's go. So guys, some hours ago when I had meal, at that time I got sleep and I got on bed, and after that I wake up after 2 years, and after 2 hours, sorry. And then I complete some of my writing work, and I planned that I will learn, but my copy was I don't have my copy, so that's why I did not complete that. So okay, so I will learn at the evening or night. So still now I have half an hour. So in this half an hour now remaining work I have to complete. And when I came back from tuition, after that I will complete my meditation because now I had just meal. So that's why I'll not do meditation. So okay, so let's go and complete my writing work, and after that I'll complete my teaching work. So okay, so let's go and complete it. So guys, some time ago I came back from tuition, and after that I took a rest. But after that, there were some people in my home and guests are there, so that's why I did not complete anything. And I want to complete meditation first, and after that I will have meal. So it's 10, and I have only 1 to 2 hours. In this 1 to 2 hours, I want to complete meditation as well as my daily tasks like vocabulary and some writing work also I want to complete because tomorrow I'll not go to the college because I want to go for admission for my younger brother. And okay, so whole day is went for him. So okay, so another next day also, that is tomorrow also, I will continue busy for his admission. So and okay, so first of all I'm going to complete some of tasks until uh, my room is empty. So okay, so let's go and complete some of work, and then I'll go for the meditation, and then I will complete my meal, and then I'll go for work, and then uh, I'll if I will have time, then I will complete then I will study. I will be studying, otherwise I will complete my teaching work, and then I'll go for the bed. So okay, so let's go. Guys, now just free, just my this room is empty, so now I'm going to complete my meditation. So let's go. So guys, I have completed my meditation. So now I'm going to have meal, and guys, my meditation is not I can't complete my meditation properly. I don't know why it is. So okay, so it can be possible due to time is so much long and time is up, so that's why. So okay, so let's go and complete and have meal, and then I'll go for walk. And okay, so tomorrow whole day will be there. So okay, so let's go. Water another discussion will discuss after after the meal. So let's go. So guys, some time ago I had meal, and after that I went for walk, and just now I came back from there. So okay, so now I have 1 hour. So in this 1 hour I want to complete some writing work, and I thought like I will complete my learning work, but today I can't. I will not. So okay. So I don't think that I can do study properly, but I will try. So okay. So now I'm going to complete some writing work, and after finishing all my 365 days challenge of task. So okay. So now I don't have anything to talk. Everything I have already told what today I have completed. What's my today's routine. So okay. So guys, that's it for today's vlog. We'll meet another. Bye bye.